Today's update brings some exciting progress across the stadium, with major movement in key structural areas. From the compression ring development to new lifts and core installations, everything is moving forward step by step. We also take a closer look at the VIP ring, Tribuna sector, and ongoing facade and lighting work. And of course, there are a few surprises that make today's update even more interesting. So let's dive into all the latest progress from the stadium. The compression ring remains one of the most active areas right now. From this angle, we can clearly see 9 sections already installed, with a strong chance another piece could be added today in the remaining gap. Yesterday, the 7th pillar was installed, bringing the total to 7 out of 46. Alongside that, 6 radial beams and 9 ring segments are now in place, steadily shaping the structure around the stadium. With 124 total sections planned, this marks solid and steady progress as the structure continues to take form. At Gol Sur, activity continues around the core structures. The sandwich panels have now been reinstalled, and workers are removing the protective plastic, suggesting preparation for the next phase of facade support. At the same time, green cables are being installed, indicating progress on the lighting system, along with visible work on the upper levels including welding and structural adjustments. A big surprise moment today, as a new compression ring section was lifted unexpectedly. Despite earlier expectations of no major lifts, both cranes were active, carefully raising a massive segment weighing over 25 tons. Alongside it, support structures were also being installed, showing coordinated work happening at the same time. The precision during the lifting and positioning process highlights how complex and delicate this phase really is. This new addition is another key step forward, as the compression ring continues to grow section by section around the stadium. The 3rd tier is nearing completion, with only minimal work remaining. Structural adjustments and finishing elements are being refined across the site. The full roof structure is expected to be completed by 2027, marking a key milestone in the overall project timeline. The stadium is now clearly beginning to match its original design vision. The VIP ring is advancing rapidly and remains a priority area. Inside Camp Nou, the transformation is truly breathtaking. The players' tunnel looks exceptional, with elegant glass panels adding a premium and modern touch as players make their way onto the pitch. The locker rooms feel world-class, beautifully designed with a perfect blend of comfort and functionality. Every interior detail, from seating angles to VIP areas, reflects top-level quality, making the stadium not just modern, but truly spectacular from the inside. From the fence view, we can clearly see steady progress across the stadium, with different areas developing at the same time. In the VIP ring, sandwich and black panels are being installed, gradually closing the open spaces and giving the structure a more complete and impressive look. At the same time, lighting cables are being routed through the structure, while multiple platforms continue working on electrical and finishing tasks across different levels. It's impressive to see how all these details are coming together to shape the final stadium. At the lateral area, earth filling continues as the ground slowly reaches the level of the future parking exit. Trucks keep bringing soil, which is being spread and leveled across the surface. The work is steady and moving forward step by step, preparing the area for the future parking structure based on project priorities. At the Tribuna access area, we can see new supports being installed near the most exclusive part of the stadium. These will likely hold the decorative louvres that will cover the ceilings with a wave-like design. From the other side of the Tribuna, similar supports are also being added, and once the panels are installed, this whole area will completely change its appearance. That's all for today's stadium update. As we've seen, progress continues across multiple areas, from structural work coming together step by step. The project is clearly moving forward with strong momentum, and every visit brings something new to see. If you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. See you in the next one with another exciting progress report.